Hey everybody, welcome to another adventure. Today I am here at Powdermill Nature Preserve. I am here with a good friend and fellow YouTuber.
Yes, sir.
Bill Maksim from Maksim Outdoors.
I think this is our third adventure together so far, right?
So yeah, we were supposed to go on a 3-day backpacking trip with the Wandering Woodsman. But the heat here in Pennsylvania is 95, close to 100 degrees.
Yeah, it's going to be a rough one today.
So we decided to put that adventure off and do that another time. But Bill and I still wanted to get out here on at least one day and do a small day hike. So we're out here real early before the temperatures get too hot.
First day of summer too, right?
First day of summer, yeah.
So first summer hike for the year, so that's always exciting.
So this is a place, Powdermill Nature Reserve, neither of us have been. So it'll be an adventure for us. So come along, we'll have a good time. I'll show you on the map here what we're doing. So we are currently right here beside this little red road in a parking lot. Our plan is to hike up this Porcupine Ridge Trail and see this purple lizard. And if we have any energy when we get back, we're going to go across the street and hike this small trail over here. So come along with us, should be a great time. So here's a sign right on the beginning of the trail. Start here. We're going to head out and go through this tornado blowdown area into a vista. And then we'll come back and finish around that way. Should be pretty fun. So it's already very nice out here. You wouldn't know it's going to be 100 degrees today. But wow, we're in a nice shaded forest. So from what I read, this place is like the field house to the Carnegie Museum. I believe they study a lot of birds here in their habitat, if I'm not mistaken. When we're done with the trail, maybe we will go inside if they're open and get a little more detail on what this place really is. Oh, we're about, what, 2/10 of a mile in,
Yeah,
and I'm ready for a bench already.
Oh man, whose idea was this?
Yeah, it's getting warm already. Sticky. It's beautiful though. Look at that. Look at that tree back there. How big that is. I'll have to show you. I'll have to show you all that tree here in a minute.
Well, what have we had last week? Like 4 or 5 90-degree days in a row, something like that.
Yeah, it's hot. Let me show you this tree I was looking at. I don't know how I'll show up and film there, but that tree there is very big and spread out. What kind of tree is that, Bill, you think?
Oh, maybe some kind of oak. It's hard to tell.
I don't know. I can't. Ash? I don't know. If you know what kind of tree that is, let me know. So we have a miniature snack rock. If you saw the episode of Cliff and I sitting on a big rock, and he named it Snack Rock, this is just a small version of that. So I'm on a cool section of the trail here that really curves around. You can see Bill coming down it now. What'd you call that section, Bill?
A horseshoe curve.
That does remind me of the horseshoe curve, so it does. Ooh, we got something coming up here. Don't know what it is. Check it out. Wow. What would that be? I don't know. Some kind of an old pump house or spring house, because there's a pipe on the bottom. But seems funny, this trail is kind of taking us down. I thought we'd be going up, but
Yeah.
maybe we took a wrong turn. We're not in West Virginia though, so
Yeah, no banjos
we
yet.
should be okay. So we're okay. It says you are here. You are here. We're gonna go here, down to here, and then over there. We're gonna go. We're here, get down here, and over there. We're still good.
Wow.
So Bill was just mentioned, him and I were talking, we thought we'd be going uphill and we're going downhill. I'll spin you around. We're going downhill and cross this stream. But Bill, when you go down and there's a vista, what's that mean?
Gotta go back up.
We're gonna have to go up, 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 probably. Stick with us and see. I see something else here that we always have. Bill, what do we have here?
Well, that looks like it's a pretty good case of MUD.
MUD mud. There you go, Bob. So we'll give you a look at the stream here from the bridge. Very pretty. And you can see Bill down there getting you the optimal shots.
Trying.
So this sign is telling me this used to be a big open field down the way here a little bit with old sugar maples. So we'll see if we can find any of the old sugar maples still down there. So is that one there? I'm not sure. If you know, let me know. But anyway, you guys are going to have to suffer with this camera the rest of the way because my battery died on my GoPro. So again, Bill is down over the cliffside here, getting you some good shots of the stream, while I get to wait here on a nice bench. So definitely a lot of old trees in this forest. Very nice. Wow. So it has not been disturbed for a long time. Many of the oaks are more than 120 years old. But oaks are not pioneers, meaning the forest must be older. Wow. Yeah. So another beautiful big tree, and it's just full of the same thing. I'll put my hand out here in comparison. There's my hand, look at that. I can't even get the tree in the shot, look. Amazing. So Bill, I'm glad you coaxed me into coming here today.
This was your idea. Like I said, I drove past this area a multitude of times and never even realized this existed. I've been coming up to the Laurel Highlands and Lynn Run for my entire life, and yeah, like I said, if it wasn't for you and Purple Lizard, I guess.
Purple Lizard had me looking at it,
yeah,
so thank you, Purple Lizard.
Absolutely. So, yeah, always good to get out and do a little hike with you, Dave.
Yep, good time.
Even if we're not backpacking.
So we are right here getting ready to head to the tornado blowdown area now. Maybe all growed up again by now, but we'll see here in a minute. So I'm guessing all this area with the fence is probably the blowdown area, and is now all grown up with these saplings. So I hate to keep commenting about all the beautiful big trees, but here's a comparison. Bill was standing beside this tree, and look how big that is.
Big old oak.
Look at that.
Yeah. Some big boys on this trail, that's for sure.
Looks like we made it. Da, 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 da. Was that Barry Manilow?
I don't know, you're asking the wrong one.
Yeah, I ask my grandson these questions sometimes too. He just looks at me like I'm nuts because these old songs. But if you knew who sang that, let me know. But look at this. I think we made her, and it looks very nice. Look at that. So we'll walk up here together. And look, you've got mail. You made it to Porcupine Ridge. Please leave a note if you wish. So in a little while, we will sign that. But look at this. So Bill, what would I say about this?
I'm pretty sure that you would say that this is one of the most beautiful vistas that you will see in the Laurel Highland area. So there.
For sure. BEA, beautiful. Wow. Not a lot in scenery other than a ridge of another mountain, but it's just wow. You almost have to experience it.
Yeah, I mean, Laurel Highlands, man. It's hard to beat it. One of the most beautiful spots in the Commonwealth here.
Very nice.
See a nice little mountain ridge off in the distance.
And do you think the LHHT is on that ridge, or is it one more mountain over? It's got to be real close here.
Yeah, it's got to be.
The Laurel Highlands hiking trail.
I mean, this got to be beautiful in the fall, obviously, you know. Just about every viewpoint is, but
wow.
I can only imagine.
You'll pack off for a little bit.
Oh yeah, snack break.
Cliff, you should be here. It's time for a snack.
Yeah.
We got a snack overlook.
A little bit better than a snack rock, right?
A little better than a snack rock. Woo. So Bill and I are taking in a little snack here on this awesome view, and we also signed the register, and we are putting a sticker. We have a Maksim Outdoors sticker and a Day Hike Dave Wowie Wow Wow sticker. We'll put that in the bag here. So if you happen to come up and sign the register, they should be in the bag with the register. So
yeah, let us know if you find them.
Let us know. Yep. So Bill and I have been sitting here enjoying the view, having a little snack. I wanted to ask him a few questions here.
Shoot
if you're okay with that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what's coming up for you here in the near future?
So if you follow my channel, you know that I am always on a bit of a backlog. Right now we're wrapping up the Allegheny National Forest, did a little backpacking there. And then of course, Dolly Sods, as you've probably already seen on Dave's channel. I have a big 4th of July trip, my 4th annual 4th of July trip. We're going to be heading up to the PA Wilds, doing Cherry Springs, Kettle Creek, a bunch of parks that we haven't done yet, even some sections of the Susquehanna Trail. So a little bit of everything, and then of course getting married in September. So
ooh, so big news there.
Yeah,
so if you had your sights on Bill Maksim, too late. Yeah. Sounds like he's getting married.
Yeah, so we're actually going out to Utah, having a small wedding. I'm driving out. I'm going to try to see as much as I can humanly see on the drive out. Going to see some national parks. And then me and Sam are driving back. Sam and I are driving back, and we're going to tackle Colorado. So you'll be seeing a little bit of Colorado and Utah. So yeah, lots of big plans. I'm a busy man.
So very cool. If you haven't already, check out his channel and stay up on all the events. It's about ready to happen.
Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
What a view. Look at the haze moving in.
Yeah.
So one last view for you there, and Bill and I are going to be heading back down, and I'll get with you down there to see if we're going to hike that other smaller trail.
Yeah, if not, we'll check out the nature center.
It's at the bottom, so there's more to see. Stick with us. So Bill and I are getting ready to head in to the nature center here, and I'll see you inside if they allow filming. Fish on the Powdermill run. Look at that. You can see, I don't know if you can see one hiding under there. Get down to their level maybe.
Look at Dave over there, he's giving Ryan a run for his money. We might have a new trout from the trail here.
Here we have a coyote. Of course, a white-tailed deer. And a mountain lion. Look at that. I wouldn't want to be like you. Be kind to your fellow friend. Da 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 da. Do you know any other bee songs? Everybody wants to be somebody. Okay, enough of the bee's nest songs. Let's head into the marsh machine.
Did you see this there?
Yeah, I was reading that. Wastewater. Well, we come in there to get cool and then come in here. Not the smartest thing we've ever done, is it? Because it's warm in here. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Well, I gotta get out of here. I'm getting dizzy from the heat, but I'll show you one last flower before we head out. The flowers in here are very cool plants. Wow. Let me see if I can zoom in on this guy. Look at that. Wow.
This is like Nat Geo. So like, you gotta be able to use like stuff like this.
Yeah.
I mean,
That's great.
She wants good TV screen.
Well, yeah.
Like, I do.
Fox and their kits eating I don't know what that is, a duck, I guess, bobcat, raccoon, osprey. Yeah, this is a really cool room.
Who goes there?
Maybe with this shot of bear.
Oh, look at the possums. Look at them. Wow. I'm not a big fan of possums, but they're actually cute on here. Wow. So one last little look at everything before we leave. There's supposed to be a butterfly garden here, but it looks like it's growed up pretty well. But we'll check it out. Some pretty flowers there. So I believe that will wrap it up here for the Powdermill Nature Center and the hike we did. Hike was really awesome up to that vista. I really enjoyed that. And Nature Center, very nice and air conditioned also. But I want to thank Bill for meeting me here and going on a hike today. We originally had big plans of a 30-mile backpack trip almost, but
worked out. Checked another
plans changed, but we still had a good time.
Absolutely.
What was your favorite part today?
I mean, it was hard to beat that the vista at the top, the purple lizard. But I mean, that stream that we crossed and hung out around for a couple minutes was pretty awesome. But yeah, it's always good to hang out with you, just share stories and just talk, you know.
Yep, we had a great time. So Bill Maksim Outdoors, if you haven't checked him out, check him out. And we'll see ya in the next adventure. Bye.
See you guys.
God bless you all. Praying for you all. We'll see ya.
The feeling was great. Nature's so captivating, so grand and elate. I need to share it with others who cannot get out. The reasons are many: jobs, fears, and doubts. Since then I have found many others like me who love the outdoors and want to believe that others will watch them to get away. So like me they film adventures each day. From all walks of life we gather here, setting aside the schedules and work and fear, meeting our heroes up and friends, some for the first time, some have always been. If you love the outdoors and nature's display, please won't you join us, hit subscribe and stay. I don't take for granted what I'm able to do. You never know what life throws at you. So while I am healthy and able today, I'll keep on filming and sharing my display. From all walks of life we gather here, setting aside the schedules and work and fear, meeting our heroes, our peers and friends, some for the first time, some have always been. If you love the outdoors and nature's display, please won't you join us, hit subscribe and stay. Hit subscribe and stay. Hit subscribe.